Hi children, in this video we are going to talk about the present participles. We use present participles when we want to talk or write about an action that is going on or that is happening now. Present participles are formed by adding ing to the verb. For example, play plus ing is playing. Wash plus ing is washing. So, present participles are used to refer an action that is going on or that is happening now. And we will get the present participle form when we add ing to a verb. And let's see some rules of making ing verbs. The first one is when a verb ends in silent e, the e is dropped before adding the ing. For example, close and leave. Look at these words. Both these words end with the letter e, that is not pronounced, that is silent. To make it as an ing verb, we will drop the letter e and we will add ing to the verb. Thus, close plus ing becomes closing. See, the letter e is dropped. Leave plus ing is leaving. Again, the letter e is dropped. So, when a verb ends in silent e, the e is dropped before adding ing. Let's see an opposite case. When a verb ends in e, which is not silent, the e is not dropped before adding the ing. So when a verb ends in e, that is pronounced, that is not silent, we won't drop the letter e, but we will simply add ing to the word. Example, be plus ing is being. See, the letter e is not dropped here because the letter e is not silent, it is pronounced. See plus ing is seeing. Again, the letter e is not dropped because it is pronounced in the word, it is not silent in the word. And let's see another case. When the verb ends in ie, the ie is changed to y before adding the ing. So when the verb ends in ie, we will change the ie to y. Example, die. The spelling is D-I-E. Before adding ing to the word, we will substitute the ie to y. Thus, it becomes dying, spelling D-Y-I-N-G. Similarly, in the word lie, the spelling is L-I-E. Before we add ing to the word, we will change the ie to y. Thus, we will get the word L-Y-I-N-G. So, when the verb ends in ie, we will change the spelling ie to y and we will add the ing to make the present participle. Let's see the opposite case too. When a verb ends in y, ing is added to it. So when a verb ends in y, when a verb already ends in y, there is no need to change the y. We will simply add ing to the word. Example, fly, the spelling is F-L-Y. When we add ing, it becomes flying. There is no change in the spelling. And play plus ing, it becomes playing. Again, there is no change in spelling. So when a verb ends in y, there is no need to change the y and we will simply add ing to the word.